When I'm filming this, it's opening day of the brand new 2022 MLB season. Yankees win against the Boston Red Sox. I retain bragging rights, at least for opening day, against some friends and people I know. So we win. You guys remember, new hat, had to get sized, right? So just quick video. Shout out to friends, being blessings, okay? Discounts come in handy. Had to get some things for a new baby in the family. But then also, yeah. This may or may not have ended up in my collection.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back. Another video on Talks with TJ, and it's spring, so new things and new life, and it's amazing when that happens. So hey, new baby in the family, literally cousin of mine had her first baby boy. So some box gift sets, okay, to keep little man fresh. We got Nike and literally Jordan. So got them already in set. There were no Adidas infant sets. Otherwise, I probably just would have got one of each, but that wasn't there, so not an option. For myself, it stayed really, really light. I'm working hard to have several seats in April because I'm saving for my tattoo appointment in May. So I'm trying to have several seats. There are some other videos we will discuss later on this week about, some pickups on the way. All right, and then for me, real quick, okay, socks. Even though I cleaned out my sock drawer, I think a few weeks ago, I purchased more socks. And to be fair, with them being half off for me, why not? So $12 for these. Now, I love the oversized logo that's present on some of the socks. It's not present on all of the socks. On some of them, they have the smaller logo, like the smaller trefoil logo, but on other pairs, they have like this really, really big Adidas logo on there. And I don't have any gray Adidas socks. So they have gray and red, which was a big plus for me. And again, like the oversized on the black pair. So I was a big fan of that. And then my local Foot Locker has Fear of God now. They didn't have a 7.5 though, which is the new fitted size. They had mocha, they had navy, they had black. They had all of the new colors of Open Road collection, which I already have the red and white, so I didn't want any more of that. But they had this bad boy right here. So the strap back, because it's not snap, it doesn't snap, it's Velcro. So the strap back new era cap, $9.50, and has Essentials Fear of God on the front. And then it has the same silicone branding on the back there, as you guys can see. And it's a navy blue and gray, $50 retail, but I didn't have to pay that. So I said, you know what? I'd be a fool to pass this up, and it's a really lightweight hat. I don't have to worry about it fitting either now or when my hair is straight. It'll fit at all times. And again, it's just so, hear that? It's so lightweight. So snapback, well, I say snapback. I'm gonna get stuck saying that a lot. It's considered a strap back, I guess. Yeah, it's actually the official name. Okay, strap back. I'm always so used to saying snapback. But now, in terms of curving the bill of this, I actually don't see people curve the bill of these type of hats a whole lot, at least not on my feed when I see them in Fear of God hats or the Essentials hats like these. I don't see them actually curve the bill. So, I mean, I don't know. I guess maybe I will. I guess it just kind of depends. I'm not upset if it just stays straight like this. And maybe it is because it's a strap back, it's a nylon hat. Like, maybe I am okay if it stays like this. But just really quick items rundown, okay? There were a lot of other things on sale that I passed on, but if you go into your local Foot Lockers, you very well may see a lot of clothing items for kids and adults on sale. There was an amazing pair of olive nylon pants. They had the big swoosh across the front that went from leg to leg. Those were actually half off. So instead of being 100, or no, they were 30% off. So instead of being 110, it would go down to something more reasonable, like 70. So just take a look inside your local Foot Locker. Again, blessed to have to have friends go ahead and just keep me up to date on things, lend a hand, and, you know, just be real friends. So got some of the family taken care of, got myself taken care of, which, I mean, if we think about it, okay, socks are essential, and I am that person that still rocks crew socks and slides, or crew socks and sneakers. Spring, summer, it doesn't matter to me, and it still feels very much so like, well, winter/spring, like a high of 50s. Please don't go outside without a jacket. That breeze will catch you, and it will feel a lot colder than what it really is outside. But that's all. That's it. Like, outside of so much else that's coming to the channel. So you guys will see the zebra, which that's not new. You've seen it a lot already, but you'll see the zebra, the knit runner. Told you guys, I absolutely love it. Knit runner, but then also 2 other pairs. So I'll get to those other pairs in some later videos. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.